Hello friends, welcome back to my video, and in this video I would like to share with my personal experience, that is how I learned English. And if you are a beginner, and how beginner can learn English in easy and effective methods. So in this video I want to share that tips by using and by follow these tips. I am speaking like this. If you are speaking like me, I think I am not perfect in speaking, but I can express my thought in English. And whatever comes in my mind, I express that things in English. So I knowledge about that, how to deliver my thoughts in English, and how my ideas to deliver in English. So whatever comes in my mind, and if I think most of the boys who want to learn English and who want to speak English, but they are not get good guidance and good tutor who tell the truth of reality, the reality of speaking. So I share in this video. So watch this video till the end, and if you think English is very hard language, so that's a huge blunder of your speaking. English is not hard. English just based on your speaking practice. If you want to speak English, so you will have to practice on this language. And if I talk about mistakes, mistakes are the part of learning. If you learning and if you speaking English, so mistakes are the part of your speaking. Without mistake you cannot being perfect. So if you also want to speak English, so the simple and the tricks of the speaking, the simple thing is that you will have to practice. Yes, you will have to practice this language. You take little and simple sentences of English and use, because if you use these sentences, your tongue and your mouth is the habit of your speaking this type of words. And if you speaking regularly, so these words put up in your mouth, and whenever you thinks in your mind, so the word throughout your mouth. So that is the best method of speaking. And if you connect with me, so you get more videos, that videos based on reality of speaking. So subscribe and like this channel.